Hi everyone, welcome to another video with me playing with cars. This is a Teal Bugatti, so it's a replica of a Bugatti 35, and what I've been doing is replacing the old fuel filler that used to be here. Great big heavy metal piece with a nice, much more in keeping alloy set up with a more traditional flip top, which is very, very fancy. Trouble is, of course, is the hole that I need is going to be bigger than the hole I've got. And this is fiberglass, and I'm just a little bit anxious about how I'm going to do that. One option is obviously you map out the hole. You could drill lots of little holes and then get a coping saw and try and join them all up, but that often leaves a very nasty finish. The other option is to use one of these saw drills, which gives you a nice hole, but of course I'm drilling into a hole, so this guide drill is not going to guide me, and I'm really nervous that the whole thing is going to go all over the place. So I'm just working out what or how I do this, and once I've thought it through, I'll show you what I'm up to. The other thing I've done is, obviously I want to replace all the hoses. This is the old one, which is pretty old and dry. Many years ago I learned that if ever you want to remove an old hose, don't start putting your screwdriver underneath and trying to prise it open. Just slit it. Takes 2 minutes with a Stanley knife and the thing comes off so much more easily than trying to prise it off. So I'm going to obviously replace that with the nice new silicone one, replace the clips as well, and we'll see how it all goes. So this is what I've done. I've propped this piece of wood up against the hole using a car jack and some wooden supports with a couple of wedges. So now what I've got is a nice firm wooden base. This is the same diameter as the hole I want to do, and obviously I'm lucky it's got a hole there. So all I need to do now is actually, well, one option is to stick this down and just aim my drill for that center point, and that should hopefully go through nice and cleanly. I'm probably going to put some masking tape over here as well, just to make sure. Let's see how we get on. So that's all done. The only problem I had was I hadn't got a drill big enough chuck to take that, so I've actually used my Milwaukee angled with a 11mm and did it that way, which actually worked out fine. So there we go, drilled the hole. I drilled it bigger than required, so there'd be a bit of wriggle room. And what I did was I actually got the old hose, wrapped it round the fuel tank end, and then I could make sure that when I dropped this into place, it was perfectly in line with the tank outlet. And then marked off the holes really carefully, kept doing it, wanted to make sure it was all aligned, drilled those out. And now what I need to do is basically fit this, but before I do that I need to get this hose in place. This is the new hose. I'm sure you've seen this tip before, but the secret to cutting silicone hose nice and cleanly is to put a tie around it and then just cut with a Stanley knife round, get a nice straight edge. And that will go in place. This will go on top. Put the screws in. Job done. And here we go. So we've replaced this, which was fine. It had an old bit of plastic as a seal. No security. You could unscrew that and just drop anything straight into petrol tank. Here's the new one. Very smart, got a lockable cap internally, so it's nice and secure. Fits very nicely, definitely in keeping with the car. And internally, nice new bit of silicone hose. I've used some nice big washers to secure the cap in place, so we put no stress onto the glass fibre. All done.